Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to be telling you how my last weekend went. We had a girls game night and then we went out the next day. It was all interesting. So first, before we continue, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly do well to hit the subscription button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comments down the comment section. And again, it is your girl Onyinyechi Kalu, and you all know how much love I've got for you. So guys, let us relax and watch. So welcome back guys. So this is the game night. Here's what's coming in. This is Nikki and this is Jenny. Oh, was nice. Oh, this is Bina, our madam. I guess this is me. Right, this is me. It was nice. This is KG and our host Etomi. We are using her apartment for the night. So the next thing is cooking. Oh guys, you always find me in the kitchen. Yeah. And Jenny is assisting me. We are making okra soup, and our okra soup is ready, guys. You want to taste the soup? The chef is just feeling herself like, okay, like everybody's eating, and we're eating fufu. Fine girls like this, they're swallowing fufu. Oh, all right. Next is the toast. We made toast to better lives, to good connections, to better places, to we cheers to all the good things of life. And after that, we had cakes, we had brownies. Okay, brownies, please. All right. Next on our agenda was what you were grateful for. So everybody had to say what they were grateful for. Then we moved into sip and paint. Here's us seriously drawing rubbish. Anyway, we tried in our drawings. You're gonna see them. So this was just serious drawing and painting. I don't know. All right. So this is the arts, and this is the outcome. This is KG's. And this is Etobi's. This is Jenny's art. This is Nikki's art piece. Nice. Okay. This is Bina's art piece. Whoa. This is mine, guys. You guys should judge. Okay, moving into the game proper. The first game we did was lemon game, the lemon. Then we did one logic game. We did it on the phone, and we did whoever name you pick, the person will draw on your back and you will draw. You'll be, that game now. So I think almost everybody failed in this game, because I was trying to draw a card with a very simple formula, and Jenny was drawing completely something different. Like then this, Bina and KG's. Okay, yes, was drawing an animal while KG was writing. But at the second word, she got it. So she drew one animal and one word. I think these were the only people that that got it. The rest of us, your person is drawing something else, and you are drawing something different, like something different. Okay, that game was interesting though. Then we did never have I ever game, the never have I ever, and it's just going. And then we did concentration game. The concentration game, at this point some people were already feeling sleepy, and but you still have to play, because you just have to play. Then we moved on to the next game, which is the name you pick will ask you a question and you must answer. I was standing up because I didn't want to feel sleepy. Okay, I forgot to tell you the rules of the game was anyone you feel you drink. So at this point, Jenny failed and she was supposed to drink, and Nikki was making her drink. And this is Etomi. By the look of things, she was already feeling tipsy, so we just had to round up the game. And the last game on our list is call your ex. If he picks, you're out. Nobody picked. I think Etomi's own called her back, but nobody picked. I don't know if we all cheated. So guys, this is day 2, and this is us leaving Etomi's apartment. I just had to do some shakara we're on our way to Ofada Boy. There's this local restaurant in Surulere called Ofada Boy, and I tell you, we've been longing to be there. So this is us going. This is our Uber woman. I didn't see that. And we are here. This is it. The artistics, everything is fine. And local, it was giving all the local vibes. Here's us waiting for our order. I don't know if they had to, to heat it up hot or something, but it didn't take a long time, just a little while, and they were just doing this shenanigans, girls things. Before we know it, our order is here. Our food is here, guys. So I've forgotten Etomi's drink. Is it mojito? I don't know, but Sabina had kiwi. Yeah, she had kiwi with the food. It's ofada, so it's everything ofada sauce. Yeah, and what is the next? Okay, Nikki had strawberry drink or something. And Jenny, what was that drink? Oh, something berry. Yeah, something berry. And myself, I had cocoa palm. I just wanted everything that would give me that local feel. So I had the cocoa palm, the food. We were already tired. The food was much. Don't look at this. They are small. I don't know if it's calabash or what would I call this? The server. But they just wanted to give that local, vibes. I like the feel. At this point, we were already full, so we went outside. Man, this is the drum. This is Sabina beating the drum. They say if you want free food, you should beat it 1 million times. Oh, who can beat this drum 1 million times when I'm not doing a drum marathon? So this is Nikki. Nikki had to beat the drum, and after Nikki, she was tired already. This is me. I'm not even sure if I beat this drum like 10 times. Okay, so we're all doing picture things, and I said, let me show you people my fine dress. So my dress is fine, let me show you people. So that was I was now doing this fine video and turning showing you my dress. It's just my dress I want to show you people. Okay, yeah, excuse Onyinyechi, is okay for you? Yeah, nice. So this is Jenny and Bina. This is me. I just wanted to use everything there. So this is Bina and Jenny. Anyways, for us, this is this. She was saying she does not want to snap, but I snapped her. And we had this group picture. It was everything a wicked could be, guys. Okay, my loves, thank you for staying with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You should try this sometime. Go out, play games, just something. Again, thank you again. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly do it to hit the subscription button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave your comment down in the comment section. Bye.